Good morning, guys. Out here at Wabamun again. Let's get the mic going. It's 8:43. It is gusting wind. I think it says like 50 gusts or something. Posted down. She is windy though, like crazy windy. But got some marks going on. We're gonna get some tip ups going. Get the underwater camera going. Put some smelts on the tip ups. Jig some wraps and jigs, and see if we can land on that big pike or walleye today. But this wind, boy, the tip-ups are going to be nasty. I'll get some footage. Bye. I just had a pike on, but didn't like what I had for presentation, I'm guessing. Oh, there he comes again. Here he comes. Come on, buddy, take that. I liked when I was bottom bouncing it, so. Oh, spooked him. And then he came for the... oh, here he comes again. He wants this bad boy. Come on, hit bottom. I don't know what's going on. He doesn't like it. Oh. Come on. Take it. He wants one of us. He'll take one of them. Come on, buddy. Oh, he's just sitting there. Come on. He is being something picky, let me tell you. Hey guys, just landed our first one here. Nice little wall ski. I just bought the old, I think it's called the Jig and Wrap. I always want to call it a Hyperglide, but it doesn't have the wings. But yeah, that little guy there, pretty sweet little hook. I just picked it up at Cabela's. But here's my first wally of the day, guys. One sec here, let me get some light going. There we go. Nice little wall ski. Ah! He wants to go. See you later, bud. Took 2 seconds, guys, with that lure. I'll show you guys again here. I think it's called the Jig and Wrap. But yeah, that one there. And I'm sitting in 10 feet of water. But the wind is like 50 kilometers gust today. It's been really slow. Well, like I said, 2 seconds with that thing on that wall. I just darted in and slammed it. So let's get back at it. Hopefully we get some more. Well, guys, gonna call it a day there at Wabamun. It was actually a pretty slow day. One of the slowest days I've had there. Between two of us, I only landed one fish. So just brutal. I missed a few. I don't know. There was tons and tons of people out. The weather was absolutely insane. It was like the wind. I didn't even check. It said 50 gusts, but it was absolutely insane. So I don't know if that had anything to do with it, but it was slow. Other people I heard had some tip-ups, but good for them, I guess. Like I said, one walleye that I showed in the vid, and that was it. But you know, humbling experience, I guess. Yeah, what do you do? Till next time, I guess. Tight lines, guys.